Hello friends, this is Suraj from PickAndyWeb. Today I am just going to show you a quick demo of building a website using Orange WordPress theme. This is a default WordPress installation. I am just going back to the dashboard area, and in the appearance, a theme section. In this theme area, you can see a Orange WordPress theme. I'm just going to activate Orange WordPress theme. I'm just pressing activate button. Now I'm going back to the front end and reload it, and now you can see Orange WordPress theme is activated. A full WordPress theme is activated. It comes with a nice navigation, a slider, a main headline area, a nice feature area. This is a blog area, and this is a testimonial area. Now this is the footer heading with a page link, and this is a footer. A very beautiful Orange WordPress theme. You can see this. Now I'm come back to dashboard area. Now under the appearance, a theme option panel allow you to easily change any of the thing that you just saw on the front end. You can change logo, you can change contact address, contact number, analytical code. You can change each and everything on front end with the help of theme option. This is homepage setting play a very important role in our theme, Orange theme. With the help of this, you can slider on off. You can add you can on your slider or off. For example, I don't want a slider on my theme, then just press off and save changes. Now I'm in front end. I'm just reload, and now the magic, your slider is gone. So this is the Orange theme. If you don't want main heading, just off it and save changes. Now come back to the front end, reload, your heading is disappear. If you don't want feature section, this is a feature section. If you don't want, just off it and save changes. Now your feature section is disappear. Similarly, you can off your blog section, you can off or on your testimonial section. If you want enable any option, just press on button, just on it and save changes. Now you can see reload page. Wow, this is the Orange theme. This is a Orange theme. Just save changes and magic. So this is a very important homepage setting area. Now homepage option. With the help of homepage option, you can add slider, you can add unlimited. Yes my dear friend, you can add unlimited slider here. There is no limit. Just enter title, image, pick your image, link, description, and add new and add new and add new. Unlimited. Yes, unlimited slider you can add on your homepage, main headline. Plus one more thing, in Orange theme, friends, you can add homepage area, unlimited homepage area with images, description, link, etc. You can add unlimited. This is your homepage area, homepage feature section. You can add unlimited homepage feature images. Yes, this is Orange theme. So this is the Orange theme. You can add unlimited homepage feature images. You can unlimited add homepage slider. Now this is a tagline button, this is tagline link, this is tagline, and this is page link. You can add here and save changes. Similarly, this is testimonial section. You can add testimonial heading, reviewer name, logo, description, and save changes. Footer setting, you can change your copyright text here. Social icon, and here you can add your social link here and save changes. Styling option, yes my dear friend, orange theme comes with 12 colors, all 12 colors, black, blue, coffee black, dark blue, any color you want, just pick it, purple, and save changes. Now just reload it and the magic is there. With custom CSS you can modify your CSS and just write your code and save changes. And the last one is contact page, a map. Here just pick a Google map code and save changes. You can change background image also. Just click on background, choose any images, choose any color you want and save changes. I'm just build orange for contractor, orange for food, orange for fashion, orange for health, orange for fitness. For example, orange for contractor. You can see awesome beautiful WordPress theme. Plus one more thing, tab menu is also there. You can change tab heading and description, our testimonial, blog section, popular post, page link. So this is a orange theme for contract. So this is orange theme for food, restaurant, a blog section here, a testimonial, popular post, page link, tab menu, unlimited. You can add unlimited feature images, you can add unlimited slider. About us, this is about us page. Blog, this is your blog page. A beautiful awesome WordPress blog page is there. You can add as many as blog you can want. Gallery page, a very beautiful gallery page is there. You can see this. Just click on any image and you can see this. So this is a orange theme gallery page. Contact us page, name, email ID, website, and your contact map image. So this is a orange WordPress theme for food lover. This is orange WordPress theme for fashion. You can see, wow, this is a theme. This is the orange WordPress theme, and you can manage front page, just enable or disable feature. A orange theme for doctor, a complete orange theme for doctor. A orange theme for fitness lover, a yoga. Wow, this is the orange theme. So friends, you can use this theme for any niches. I think you like this theme. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.